uh, the 49th lecture. We are studying circuit analysis, and we will continue studying average power absorbed in resistor even in this lecture. In fact, in this lecture, we'll solve a problem where we are given a resistor. It's a 4 kilo ohm resistor. This one. This green one is a 4 kilo ohm resistor, and we are required to find power absorbed in it. The value of the resistor is 4 ohms, and one other thing that we are given is the waveform of current through this resistor. It's an AC current alternating its magnitude, and we see that from 0 to 2 it is 2 amperes, and then from 2 to 4 it's 4, and then 4 to 6 it's 2, and then it starts repeating itself. So here this whole span is the time period of this wave. So let's continue to find power through this 4 ohm resistor. In last lecture 48, we studied that we studied 3 expressions for power, and one of them was that it is square root of the current, square of the current times the resistance. So given this waveform, let's find the RMS value of current. Right. Finding RMS, we first find out that the time period is 6. We have just shown that the time period is 6. Finding IRMS is using this channel formula, and we know that these 3 operations are applied in reverse. We first square, then we apply mean, and then we compute a square root. And this formula is applied on this general formula that we studied in this lecture, 47th lecture, is applied on the waveform, this waveform given for the current I. Right. So since we see there are 3 different portions of this wave, from 0 to 2, this is 2. From 2 to 4, the value is 4, and then from 4 to 6 is again 2. So this whole integral can be divided in 3 parts. From 0 to 2, this one. From 2 to 4, this one. And from 4 to 6, this one. The value is 2 in this interval, it's 4 in this interval, and 2 again in this interval. Solving this using elementary techniques that we studied in schools and colleges, it come out to be square root of 8 amperes. So IRMS comes out to be square root of 8 amperes. Now we are ready to compute power using the formula we studied in last lecture, IRMS squared times the value of resistance. So squaring 8, square root of 8 times 4 is 32 watt. We'll continue studying more about AC power in our upcoming lectures. Thank you.